Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love for everything. I also pray for you to Almighty. So Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet fingerless glove design for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. Very nice. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern. Good comment section. And you can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Very nice. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet fingerless glove design. Beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern. And fabulous crocheting work. Very nice. Hopefully like this. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me.